Time, our most precious resource, often slips through our fingers. Balancing work, personal life, and downtime presents a constant challenge. Enter Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, known for his unparalleled productivity. This man achieves feats many deem impossible, partly due to using a simple yet effective time management technique, timeboxing. Timeboxing, in essence, constitutes allocating a fixed period, known as a time box, during which a task or set of tasks must occur. Think of it as appointment making with tasks instead of people. This technique boasts increased focus, better work-life balance, and enhanced productivity. Unlike to-do lists, timeboxing does not merely list tasks, it assigns them a specific dedicated space within your day. This removes ambiguity and fosters a greater sense of control over your time. Elon Musk's approach to timeboxing stands somewhat extreme yet incredibly effective. He breaks his entire day into 5-minute blocks, assigning a specific task or activity to each. This granularity allows him to maintain multiple roles at different companies effectively. Consider Musk's typical schedule. His workday starts early with technical and design discussions. He then moves to more managerial tasks, followed by open slots for critical unplanned issues. Even meals get woven into meetings to maximize productivity. His timeboxing technique helps him focus on high-priority tasks, ensuring progress in critical areas. Despite its effectiveness, some argue that this approach might lead to burnout, highlighting the need for balance and flexibility. Timeboxing might seem daunting initially, but a step-by-step approach can ease its implementation into your daily routine. First, choose the tasks you intend to timebox. These could be work tasks, personal projects, or even downtime. Next, allocate a specific time slot for each task. This period depends on the nature and complexity of the task at hand. Remember, Musk's 5-minute time boxes need not serve as a standard. Setting boundaries becomes crucial at this stage. Once you set a time box, respect it. If a task does not finish within its allocated time, move it to its next time box or review why it overflowed. This process aids in refining your time estimation skills. Finally, review and adjust your time boxes regularly. Over time, you will discover the rhythm that works best for you. A flexible approach proves essential here. 4. Case studies of timeboxing. Success with timeboxing extends beyond Musk. Many successful individuals across different professions and industries benefit from this technique. Programmers, writers, project managers, and students all report increased productivity through timeboxing. Academic studies reinforce this anecdotal evidence. Research shows that timeboxing can reduce procrastination, increase motivation, and improve time awareness. This technique has the potential to transform how we view and use time. 5. Examples of timeboxing. 1. Writing a blog post. You have a blog post to write. Instead of letting this task consume your entire day, you decide to timebox it. You allocate a 2-hour time box from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. During this time, your sole focus is on writing the blog post. After 12 p.m., you move on to the next task. Even if you haven't finished the blog post, you can always allocate another time box for it later. 2. Preparing a presentation. You have a presentation to prepare for a meeting next week. You decide to time box this task into several 1-hour time boxes spread over the week, rather than trying to do it all at once. This allows you to work on the presentation in manageable chunks without feeling overwhelmed. 3. Learning a new skill. You're trying to learn how to code. Instead of practicing sporadically, you decide to time box your learning. You dedicate a 1-hour time box every evening to learning and practicing coding. This ensures you are consistently making progress. 4. Exercising. You want to maintain a regular exercise routine. You timebox 30 minutes each morning for a workout. This creates a consistent habit and ensures that you don't neglect your health even when your day gets busy. 5. Reading. You have a stack of books you want to read. Instead of waiting for a large block of free time to start reading, you timebox 20 minutes each night before bed to read a book. This not only helps you make progress on your reading list, but also serves as a calming routine before sleep. Remember, the goal of timeboxing is not necessarily to finish a task within its allocated time box, but to make consistent and focused progress. Remember, the goal of timeboxing is not necessarily to finish a task within its allocated time box, but to make consistent and focused progress. 7. Common misconceptions and pitfalls of timeboxing. Despite its apparent simplicity, timeboxing comes with its own misconceptions and pitfalls. One common misconception paints timeboxing as a rigid, inflexible system. However, timeboxing provides a structure within which flexibility thrives. A frequent mistake beginners make relates to over-optimistic time estimates. It's essential to account for buffer time and unexpected interruptions. Another pitfall lies in neglecting breaks. Breaks, as numerous studies suggest, boost productivity and creativity. They deserve their time boxes. 8. Conclusion. Timeboxing, a simple yet effective time management technique, can revolutionize how you approach big and small tasks. Elon Musk's use of timeboxing demonstrates its potential to maintain high productivity. It's not a magic bullet for all productivity challenges, but it is a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can help you take control of your time, reduce stress, and increase your efficiency. Remember, the goal of timeboxing is not to create a rigid, inflexible schedule, but to provide a structure that enables you to focus, manage your time effectively, and achieve a healthy work-life balance. It's all about finding what works for you and adapting it to suit your needs.